Hi, I'm Tamarra with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to our channel and welcome to our kitchen. You know, it's springtime here in Wyoming. We're back in Wyoming, and guess what's coming on great? Rhubarb. So I'm trying to think of all kinds of wonderful dishes and things to do with rhubarb. Today it's really going to be fun. It is Rhubarb Artisan Bread. And what is in here, I've gone ahead and already measured my flour and my sugar, cinnamon, my yeast, salt, and some great fresh grated orange zest. And of course I've got my rhubarb all diced up here and ready. And what we're going to do here is I'm going to get some warm water. You don't want it too warm. And I've put in here a tablespoon and a half of olive oil, and I'll add some warm water to this because we want that fairly warm to add to here and mix it together. I'm adding my warm water here. And this dough is fairly sticky, and here goes my rhubarb. And for all of the measurements and everything on this, it'll be on our YouTube video in the description, the complete recipe. You just mix this together really well, as you can see. We hope you're enjoying this with us today. Just remember to please subscribe, hit that like button, and if you just do subscribe to our channel, every Tuesday we have more wonderful recipes coming out. I'm going to continue to mix this together and form it into a ball, and then I'll cover it with a towel and let it raise for about an hour and a half. Then we're going to take it out and knead it and then put it in my prepared Dutch oven. So we'll see in a little bit after this raises. Here comes the fun part. This raised, it doubled in size, took about an hour and a half. Depends on how warm your house is. And what I'm going to do is just kind of knead it, work a little bit of that flour in, get it in a nice round loaf. When I say the fun part, this dough is kind of sticky. You just want to kind of knead it a bit. And I like to put it out on wax paper with flour. It just makes cleanup a lot better. And then we're going to bake this in our oven. And this bakes at a higher temperature. What we do is, I've got this all prepared here. We have one of these wonderful enamel Dutch ovens, which if you go to our website, it's wyomingdutchovencooking.com. You can go to that and there's a free user's guide, and you can order a lot of our things we love to use. One of them is this cast iron enamel Dutch oven that is wonderful. Very easy to clean up. And also we have some of our favorite spices and some of our cooking things we love to use. So I've lined this with parchment paper. We're going to put this in here and let this rise again and let it double in size. But we bake this at 450 with the lid on for 40 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes. Take the lid off, bake it for additional 10 minutes, and it comes out a beautiful golden brown. So we'll see you with our finished bread in a couple hours probably. Thank you. Wow, look at this beautiful bread. You know, my passion really is bread. I can't believe it. This turned out absolutely wonderful. And this is kind of my own experiment. I've done a lot of artisan breads, but I wanted to do something with rhubarb. So the other day I experimented, and I did this yesterday, and I made a loaf of bread and we tried it out. And it turned out absolutely awesome. So I wanted to do one for you today, and it is incredible. Very, very easy, and just a wonderful spring bread. And of course, our motto is, great food shared with family and friends equals great times. Please join us again until we meet again. And here's my wonderful cup of coffee for you. And of course, I better take a bite of this bread. Of course, I already know it's excellent. Oh my, perfect. Thank you.